In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add VWAP on NinjaTrader. By the end, you'll have the order flow VWAP indicator added to your chart, set to update in real time, with optional standard deviation bands and colors configured the way you want. First, open the indicators window. On your active chart, right-click anywhere on the chart area and select Indicators from the menu. If you prefer keyboard shortcuts, press Ctrl+I. This opens the Indicators panel with a list on the left and settings on the right. Next, locate VWAP. In the list on the left, scroll down until you find Order Flow VWAP. This indicator is part of the Order Flow Plus add-on, which is available with lifetime licenses or as a monthly subscription. If you don't see Order Flow VWAP in the list, the add-on may not be enabled on your platform. Now add it to your chart. I double-click Order Flow VWAP. You'll see it move into the Configured section on the right. This confirms the indicator is attached to the chart and ready to configure. From here, configure the settings in the right side panel. Start with Calculation. Find the Calculate option and set it to On Price Change. This ensures the VWAP updates live as each price change occurs, which is helpful if you're watching the chart in real time. If you're already connected to market data, the change will take effect immediately. Next, set up the standard deviation bands. In the same settings panel, look for the standard deviation band options. You can enable and configure up to 3 bands. Turn on the first band, then if you want additional context for overbought or oversold areas, enable the second and third bands as well. These bands draw lines at set standard deviations from the VWAP, giving you visual zones around the average price. If you're unsure how many to use, start with one band. Then add the second and third if you need more detail on your chart. You can always come back and adjust these later. Now adjust the appearance to match your preferences. In the Appearance section, you can customize colors for the VWAP line and the bands. If you want the line to visually react to price, change the line color when it is above or below the price. Click the color swatches to pick a clear, high-contrast color for the VWAP itself, and distinct colors for each standard deviation band so they're easy to read on your background. If your chart uses a dark background, choose brighter colors. For a light background, choose darker tones. Keeping the lines visible at a glance helps avoid confusion when price approaches the bands. Once that's done, finalize your changes. Click Apply to preview the result on your chart without closing the window. If everything looks good, click OK to close the Indicators panel. You should now see the VWAP plotted across your chart, along with any standard deviation bands you enabled. As new ticks come in, the VWAP will update on price change, so you can monitor the evolving average in real time. At this point, you've successfully added VWAP on NinjaTrader using the Order Flow VWAP indicator, configured it for live updates, and customized its bands and appearance. Your setup is complete and working. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.